Welcome back to Muscle Car. Today, we're taking a ride back in time to one of the most iconic cars of the 1950s, the 1958 Plymouth Fury. This car isn't just a classic, it's a legend, known for its sleek design, powerful engine, and a reputation that even found its way into Hollywood history. The Fury was Plymouth's way of making a statement, a car that blended style, speed, and attitude in a way few others could match. The first thing that grabs attention is the design. The 1958 Fury had a low, wide stance with sweeping tailfins that defined the era. The signature grille, quad headlights, and chrome accents gave it an aggressive yet elegant look. The car was available in a striking beige color with gold trim, making it instantly recognizable. The Fury was all about making an impression, whether parked on the street or roaring down the highway. Under the hood, the 58 Fury was just as impressive as its looks. It came standard with a 318 cubic inch V8 engine, producing 290 horsepower with dual 4-barrel carburetors. This was serious power for its time, making the Fury one of the fastest cars on the road. The engine was paired with either a 3-speed manual or a push-button automatic transmission, adding to the futuristic feel of the car. With its lightweight body and powerful engine, the Fury could hit 60 miles per hour in under 8 seconds, a remarkable feat for a full-size car of that era. Inside, the Fury was a perfect blend of luxury and sportiness. The dashboard featured a clean, driver-focused layout with stylish gauges and chrome detailing. The large steering wheel, comfortable bench seats, and two-tone color schemes made the interior feel premium. Push-button controls for the automatic transmission were a unique feature, giving the Fury a futuristic touch that set it apart from the competition. Driving the 1958 Fury was an experience like no other. The combination of a stiff suspension, responsive steering, and powerful V8 made it a thrill to drive. It handled surprisingly well for a car of its size, and the exhaust note from the dual pipes gave it a deep, aggressive growl that let everyone know this was no ordinary car. It was built for straight-line speed but still had enough refinement for comfortable cruising. Of course, no discussion about the 58 Fury is complete without mentioning its pop culture fame. This car became a household name thanks to Stephen King's novel Christine and the 1983 movie adaptation. The film portrayed the Fury as a possessed, unstoppable machine, cementing its status as one of the most infamous movie cars of all time. While the real Fury didn't have supernatural powers, its presence on the road was just as commanding. The 1958 Plymouth Fury represents the golden age of American automobiles, an era when cars were bold, powerful, and full of personality. Whether you're a classic car collector or just an admirer of vintage muscle, the Fury remains one of the most desirable cars of its time. Let us know in the comments what you think about this legendary ride. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting automotive content. Thanks for watching.